Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply fix random crashes while playing in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do in Call of Duty Warzone, go to your NVIDIA settings and try to update your driver if you didn't update it yet. If you have it updated, what you want to do next is go to Battle.net, and in Battle.net you want to click Options, turn off the game and go Scan and Repair. This is really important. So you go to Research settings and Scan and Repair. Also check for updates for your Windows. See, and I will just download it. Now, when you got it, what you can also try to do is go to Settings, NVIDIA Control Panel. And when you're here, let me have it smaller, go to Program Settings. And now just go to Power Management Mode and go Prefer Maximum Performance. If you can't find Call of Duty, just click Add here and find it here. So have a great day everybody, and goodbye.